Okay guys, Harley here from Vhedia, just showing you how you can hook up your digital antenna to your T-Series head unit. So what we've got here is the USB one, which you plug into one of the USB slots to come in your head unit, and then just plug that little bit into right there, that bit into there, and then that will be your antenna, which you'll plug into your A-pillar, which we have videos of that also on our YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to come to your Chrome, your head unit, make sure it's connected to the internet. Come to the Vhedia website, right there, and then you search DAB up the top there, and you're going to come to this one here. And just go down to the bottom down here, and then you'll see USB for tuners. Download that one. Once that's all installed, just open her up, and just go through all your prompts. When you're going through all your prompts, you want to make sure you allow all as well. Once you've done that, just click the little cross up the top left, and then what you want to do is you want to scan for all your stations up the top there, and it'll start scanning for you. And as you can see, it's picked up 51 stations so far. There you go guys, enjoy.